Hello everyone, myself Kalyan. I'm having 5 plus experience in big data. So today I'll be going to talk about the how to change the properties dynamically from the command line. So was one of the example how to change the number of reduce in a MapReduce program using the command line. This is a use case. We are going to take it. Let me start it. Generally, when you want to change the Hadoop properties through command line, there are two options are there. The first option is Hadoop, order the command you want to execute it. After that, -d, the property name and property value. So one of the example when we are executing the Hadoop jar command might be, so Hadoop jar, the path of the jar, then the main class of the job. After this we can use the option called -d. So by default number of reducers for the Vodcon job maybe we are setting like a 1. I want to change it to 2. So how to do that one? First let me execute the 1 part, then we'll go for the 2 also. Okay. And here I'll be providing the input and output. This is one option. And the second option for you is if you want to execute like a multiple properties at a time, so then the command is like a -conf and configuration file. So you need to give like a after your jar command, Hadoop jar, path of the jar on your main class, -conf, the configuration file where you might be going to place it. So your input, output. So the two main commands will be supported as part of the dynamically updating the properties from the command line. So let me execute one by one all these things also. Yes, first prerequisite will be we need to verify is the Hadoop is running or not. If it is not running, start by the command is start-all.sh. This is the command will start the Hadoop 5 process. Those are 5 processes are name node, data node, secondary name node, job tracker, task tracker. So is it running or not? You can verify the JPS command. JPS command will give an option to you. All these 5 processes are running or not. The prerequisite for this concept for us so we need to have a jar, and as well as we need to have an input from the HDFS and as well as output from the output also we have to place it in the HDFS. Okay, so let me see our PPT what command we have it. So this is a command, so we are taking here. So let me paste it in my notepad. This is the command. So first, before going with the exact command, let me give the command without having a -d. Okay, then we'll execute the with d also. Then you will be going to have a clear difference what is between these two. So I'll be executing as part of this discussion is Vodcon job. You want more clarity on this problem, what is happening is you can visit my previous videos also, how to prepare a jar, how to write a Vodcon program, and how to execute our job command also. You can verify my previous videos. Now just I'll be going to talk about how to change the properties dynamically. That is one concept. Now the first command I'll executing here. You can verify your input outputs in the HDFS and job information in the job tracker URL. Let me open those two links also. For HDFS localhost 5000 and job tracker is 50030. So the job which is running right now, you can see number of mappers and number of reducers, only 1 and 1. Verify browse file system, Kalyan. The input are given as a demo input, output is the MapReduce output 1. So input is this one and expected output should be in this folder. So we're able to get only single output. So that is what the concept. Now but I want 2 outputs, that means number of reducers should be 2 has to be happen. So for that, small spelling mistake here, task. So this is the command. So let's place this command in our terminal. Then expected output should be 2 output should be there in the output 1 2 folder. and the job information also we should able to observe it. You can see mappers are 1, reducers are 2. So job is completed means you should able to see the 2 different outputs. That is what the expectation from the command line arguments. But here it's the same thing, you want to do it for the configuration file means you can, because the best approach is the configuration file. Okay, so for that one we need to make sure that create a one configuration file. Let me do that one. Home, Kalyan. So this is the place I'm interested to create a one file. That is what my XML, the usage pattern I'll show it here, the my file.xml. This is what I'll be going to take it as part of this. Now if you are not clear the syntax of the XML, you can go for the Hadoop configuration files. You can take any one of the file, maybe HDFS site. You can take this entire syntax and you can paste it inside the your myfile.xml. Now make sure that you need to remember the property name. The property name will be mapred.reduce.task. This is the property name, and value how much you want to give it. You want to give 2 or 3, up to you. So this is what you have to give. That means expectation right now is what 3 map reduce outputs I should able to get it whenever I use this one. Now the command will be for us is after word conjob hyphen conf. The path of the file is home ORIENT IT Kalyan myfile.xml. This is what we are going to give it. Input is demo input, output is ORCON output, this one. So let me execute this. Expected one is should be 3 output should be there. Verify the jobs also. Can you see now how many are completed? Side right now 2, 3 are completed. So hope you see the 3 answers now here. This is what the expectation. Okay, so you will be increasing the reducers means you will be going to work parallelly also. So we can see the 2 options. Generally the first one is without having any properties, second one is command line properties, third one is command line with XML properties. So which is the best is like this is the best one. Why? Because we can always memorize your values, and whenever you want to use it you can always read that one. Otherwise if you are typing like this means we need to read it again and again. That's a difficult task in the production level. So always you want to verify that any information of HDFS or MapReduce means we will be having a generally 2 URLs. The 2 URLs will be, this is the one name node URL and this is the one job tracker URL. So once you verified all these places, then you hope you can understand like the flow of the what exactly command line changes. Then hope you enjoyed it. So if you want more information, you can go for my blog or maybe websites. So blog will be having interview questionnaires, and as well as like you'll be having 150 plus articles are there. The website will be having a option for you online mock test also. Anyone want to prepare for the online mock test, they can go and prepare here also. Hope you enjoyed it. If you just want more information, you can touch me in ORIENT IT office in Hyderabad also. Thank you.